Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing F22 Raptor helicopter. It's the ultimate remote-controlled aircraft for kids and adults alike. It's a scale model of the legendary F22 Raptor fighter jet, known for its speed and agility. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, this plane provides a strong and stable signal, allowing for interference-free flights. Made from durable EPP foam, it can handle rough landings and minor crashes, perfect for beginners and experts. Its aerodynamic design and powerful motor deliver impressive speeds and incredible stunts. Controlling the F22 Raptor is a breeze with the easy-to-use 2.4 GHz remote control. Take off, land, perform flips, loops, and even fly inverted with precision. It's not just for adults. Kids can enjoy the F22 Raptor too. It's a fantastic way to introduce them to aviation and develop their hand-eye coordination. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or looking for an exciting gift, the F22 Raptor is the perfect choice. It combines the thrill of flying with the joy of remote control toys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing remote control aircraft. Let us know in the comments if you take to the skies with the F22 Raptor. Happy flying!